have had insane number of people ask me a question on this particular topic. A lot of virtual assistants learn how to manage clients' emails or clients' inbox, but they don't know how to actually get access to clients' inbox. They learn with their personal emails, but they don't know how to achieve this with another person's email. This is one of the basic things I teach my students in the VA simulation program. If you've not signed up for VASP, you're missing a lot. The link to sign up is in the description and in the pinned comment. Irrespective of the VA course or program you've done, sign up for VAS. So if this is something you've been struggling with, you know how to manage someone's inbox because you used yours to practice, this video is for you. You want to watch this video till the end. I'll show you exactly how to request and gain access to clients' inbox. If you're just seeing my face, I'm the Mfon. I help you monetize your skills and knowledge online. On this channel, I share everything on this subject, how I am doing it, and how you can do it for yourself as well. If this is something you're interested in, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the valuable content I drop here every week, twice a week. Okay, also like this video, okay, so it can reach a wider audience. Feel free to share this video with your friends and families as well, or all the groups you belong to as a virtual assistant or as a freelancer. Okay, neighbor, now let's get into it. How do you gain access to clients' inbox? The first thing you need to understand is why. Why do clients hesitate? First is because of security issues and privacy issues. Second, they don't know how to do it. They do not know how to give you access, and you don't know how to do it either. So you can teach them. Okay, so they don't know how to do this thing, so they avoid it. So it's your job as the VA to make this process easy for them. There are different ways that clients can give you access, or there are two major ways that clients can give you access to their inbox. First is to send you their login details willingly, right? But that means that you can easily change their password and then lock them out. But we're not doing that at this channel. We do not do that. The second way they can give you access to their email is to make you a delegate, which is what I am going to show you how to do in this video. Okay, so before we jump into it, if you're a virtual assistant and you're serious about learning high valued skill, sign up for VAS. The next wave is coming up. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment. All right, so let's get into it. How do you gain access to client inbox? Let me show you how to do that now. I'm going to use this email for VAS. By the way, the link to sign up for the next wave is in the description. Okay, as you can see here, I give my students personalized review, and we just finished week 4. We just finished week 2. I need to create the label for week 3 because they are currently in week 3. I don't know why I'm going to post this video, but yeah. So how can your clients grant you access? All you need to tell them to do, you can send them this video by the way, okay, so is to come to settings right here, click on all settings, click on accounts and imports, come to VAS, and I'm going to show you a lot of things that you can do here. Accounts and imports, and then you go right down where you have grant access to your account. All right, you click add another account, so it's going to bring you here. Now the next step is for your client to add your email address right here and click on next. When that is done, it's going to ask them, are you sure you're about to grant access to its Mfon to access your email? Of course they are sure if they are doing this. So what they want to do is to click on send email to grant access. Next, they will get this confirmation. They will also have this pop-up here. You have granted access to your account to its Mfon. This notice will end in 7 days. What this means is if the person doesn't accept it, it's going to end. Regardless, this is just going to go off whether the person accepts or not. What you want to do now as the virtual assistant is to go to your inbox. You're going to receive a mail and make sure to accept it, because as you can see here on the side of the client is showing pending. The client can also come here to delete your email address, to delete your email address from their email. All right, so you want to accept it. Once that is done, you're going to have access to their account. So this is what I mean. This email is chaotic. I do not use this email. This is the virtual assistant email, all right, that we're using as demo for this tutorial. Now, this is the email we have received from Gmail. We have received from Google. Here we can either accept or reject this request, but we want to accept it. So all you need to do is to click right here. You click on the link to accept the request. So that's it, neighbor. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful to you. Watch this video next. Bye.